Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the theme in Windows 10. Customizing your desktop theme can breathe new life into your computer and make it reflect your personal style. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the theme in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. This will open a context menu. Step 2. From the context menu, select Personalize. Make sure you right-click on an empty area of the desktop, as clicking on an icon will not produce the Personalization menu. Step 3. In the Personalization settings window, click on the Themes tab. You'll find it on the left sidebar. Step 4. Under the Change Theme section, you'll see a variety of pre-installed themes. Simply click on a theme to select it. Step 5. Instantly, your desktop theme will change to the new color and layout of the selected theme. Changing the theme in Windows 10 is a quick and easy way to give your computer a fresh look. Experiment with different themes to find the one that suits your style best. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative content.